Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss a significant consumer protection case. Sehgal School of Competition versus Dalbir Singh. This case decided by the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission NCDRC on April 30, 2009 revolves around an important issue. Refund of coaching fees and the right of students as consumers. We have three members in our group. Firstly, I am Varun Fenda, and the second speaker will be Shreyan Soni, and the third speaker will be Shreyas Puri. Begin with the case background. Dalbir Singh enrolled in a 2-year medical entrance coaching program at Sehgal School of Competition. The total fees was 37,468, paid in 3 installments. However, Singh withdrew after 1 year due to dissatisfaction with the quality of coaching, which he felt was more geared toward engineering students rather than medical aspirants. Students' grievances. His grievances included inadequate preparation, lack of relevant faculty, and poor quality of education for medical entrance exams. Faced with these issues, Singh decided to take legal action to seek a refund. Now, let's look at how the case progressed through the legal system.
Key legal principles. Dalbir Singh first approached the District Consumer Forum, which ruled in his favour and ordered a partial refund of 18,734. However, Sehgal School of Competition was not satisfied with this decision and appealed to the State Commission. The appeal was dismissed, leading them to take the case to the NCDRC, the final authority in consumer disputes. The key legal principles in this case included the prohibition of unfair trade practices in education, the consumer rights to quality education, and the principle equity and natural justice. The school, in its defense, argued that it had an excellent track record of results. The non-refundability clause in the admission contract was legally binding. Dalbir Singh had voluntarily withdrawn from the course, making him ineligible for a refund. Past court rulings supported educational institutions in similar cases. However, NCDRC did not accept these arguments. Let's now move to the final decision and its
NCDRC's reasoning. NCDRC's decision and legal implication. The NCDRC ruled in favor of Dalbir Singh, emphasizing consumer rights in the education sector. The key reasoning of the decision were: the collection of fees for the full 2 years duration was unjust, especially when the student discounted after 1 year. The non-refundable clause was deemed unconsumable and against fair trade practices. Educational sector should be subject to consumer protection laws, ensuring students receive value for their payments. This case set an important precedent for consumer rights in education. Its legal implications. Strengthening consumer rights, students can now challenge unfair practices in private coaching institute. Restricting lump sum fees, education institution cannot force students to pay for the full course education duration if they withdraw easily. Mandating pro rata refunds if a student discontinued they are entitled to a fair refund based on their services they have to already used. In conclusion, consumer protection principles: quality service, right to quality people; fair compensation, right to fair compensation; unfair practices, protection against unfair trade practice; empowerment of educational service consumers. Thank you.